Hello and welcome to our training video on creating a company and user profile in the Wescale network. I'm Klara.
And I'm Ben. Klara is going to show me how to create a company and user profile today.
Right, Ben? Let's get started. I've already had my coffee. First, we create a company profile. To do this, go to Management Network Company Profiles in the system.
And then
you click on New Company Profile. Now you will see a form with several pages. You can jump back and forth between the pages without losing your input.
I see. Which fields do I have to fill in?
All fields in bold are mandatory. The optional fields help to describe your company in the best possible way.
Is there any other information I should add?
You can add contact persons, demand profiles, and responsible persons. Contact persons are visible to interested parties. You can also display additional contact persons or service centers on your company's network page, which interested parties can contact. Demand profiles help you to be found by suitable suppliers. With the demand profile, you can define which goods and services the company purchases in which regions and where it has which needs. And responsible persons automatically receive notifications about new business relationships. If you want to subscribe to punch-out catalogs with the company profile, you should specify who is responsible for business relationships under Responsibles. When you are done, click on Publish Company Profile to make the profile visible to others in the Wescale network. If you want to publish it later, select Create Company Profile. Wescale automatically creates a user profile for each user and can therefore see all other employees of their company in the Wescale network. If you also want users from other companies to find you in the Wescale network, you have to extend the visibility of the user profile. You can make this setting yourself in your user profile. To save the changes in the network, click on Publish User Profile. As a manager of profiles, go to Management Network User Profiles in the menu.
And that's where I create a new user profile. For example, for our service hotline, right?
Exactly. Click on New User Profile. Enter the data and publish it.
Thank you, Klara. Now I know how to create company and user profiles in the Wescale network.
You're welcome, Ben. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please refer to our user manual or contact our support team. Goodbye.
Goodbye.